Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your iPhone iOS and Google Maps app are updated and that Wi-Fi or cellular data is active. Once done, force close the Maps app, swipe up and remove it, then restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. This removes common cache errors and gives the app a clean launch state. If you see an error, note its text. It helps later. Now that the device is fresh, open Maps and check whether locations load correctly. Next, dive into settings that control accuracy. You need location services turned on. Navigate to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and confirm Maps is allowed to access your location. Make sure Google Maps permission is set to while using or always if you want background navigation. This prevents sudden drops. Also enable background app refresh and allow cellular data for the app so tiles and traffic updates download. Once done, finish by cleaning deeper. If behavior persists, uninstall and reinstall Google Maps to remove corrupted app data. Sign back in and reapply permissions. Calibrate the compass by opening Maps and moving your phone in a figure 8. This improves direction accuracy. Make sure Wi-Fi assist or location accuracy options aren't disabled. If everything still fails, reset location and privacy under Settings General Reset. This restores defaults without erasing content. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing helps, test another device or create a short screen recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.